All right, so we got a little bit of issue.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Hi y'all, what up? So today we are off on a new journey. Car needs an oil change, so we're checking out a new BMW dealership. But first, need a little gas. So let's hit the road, get this thing moving. She is fun to drive, but she drinks a lot of gas. I just filled it up the other day. Guess I need to stay out of sport mode.
No! God, please, no! No!
Just there we go. There we go. All right. Back on the road. This dealership is huge. All right, we're pulling up to Advantage. No, Momentum. Ah, there we go. Service.
Hey, good. How can we help you out today?
So I came in for a oil change. I saw you had guys had like the package for $249.
Yo, I can't give it to you.
Can't give it to me?
No. Sick you wake out too much.
Oh,
You can't have everything.
you know,
Your car, you can't have that too. I'm sorry. Nope. Not gonna do it. It's not what's up for you, sir. Yeah, no, you're definitely really gonna put it.
okay, cool.
Which is very important because I have the same car you do. I'll change on my car is about $230.
Yeah,
Just one time, pays for it.
yeah.
Give me just as seconds.
Okay.
Alright, so you are due for an oil change.
Yes.
We'll put the oil change plan on the for you,
Okay,
and then we'll do a complete check over of the vehicle as well.
that works.
And then are you waiting or leaving it with us?
You know how long it will take?
14 hours.
14 hours.
Service takes about 2 to 2.5 hours at this time.
You guys do like the Uber?
We do shuttle service, yeah. Yeah, but trust me, you're just with 2 oil changes is more than pays for it.
No, yeah. Well, guess I'm gonna go back home. I don't know if I feel like waiting for 2.5 hours for oil change.
So how do you like your car so far?
Love it. Love it so far. A little
The
thirsty
speed.
on the gas, but love it.
Doesn't it? It's what you it's a little give and go, right?
Yeah,
You want
I'll
that
take
speed?
it. I'll take it.
Because I have the same car. I love
What you?
it. Mine is a 2018. Same
Okay,
year.
same here. Okay.
Mine's just black.
Got it.
The only thing that I've done to it is I did change the exhaust.
That's next
So
on the list.
I put a M5 CS exhaust on it.
Okay.
So then, of course, the rear diffuser, I have to change it because it doesn't fit.
Yeah.
So I have to put an M5 diffuser, so it looks like an M5. Yeah, just that, it sounds meaty or something.
Yeah, that is definitely next on the list. Thank you.
All right.
I want it. I only got Alpina. So, clean X6, yeah. Then, I think I'm in love. Oh, it's an 840. Thank you, sir. Now they know they're wrong.
That is your copy for your records.
Thank you, thank you.
I'm gonna go this way.
All right.
just like that, we are back. Now I gotta fight through traffic while I am sleeping.
This is Zach from a BMW technician working on your vehicle during the multi-point inspection. Did not find any major concerns. You can see here your front brakes have lots of life, and your new tires, your front tires look to be close to new. I'm also not sure if this is an OEM tire size, so we did go ahead and quote this size tires. You can see the fitting on the rim, but either way, went ahead and sent that. I don't believe that's leaking, but we will go ahead and verify just in case. So just wanted to bring one thing to the concern. I heard sort of a rattle from the vehicle when I was on the accelerator, and
What the hell is even that?
be the source. It's hard to say whether that is OEM equipment or not. It honestly does not look like it, so just wanted to bring it to your attention. And if it is something you'd like to get taken care of, we could definitely help. As you can see, no leaks. But we quoted both rears because of the low tread, and also in alignment, since we'll be replacing both rear tires. It's just going to ensure the longevity of the tires and that no chop or road noise, anything like that, that'll be audible in the cabinal form. So it'll extend the life, and it also ensure maximum driver experience. I believe I also recommended a coolant flush, as it's got around almost 80,000 miles and we have no history of this vehicle, so I just wanted to refresh the coolant, make sure internally the engine is protected. Other than that, we'll be done here real soon.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Crazy. We just got back in from the first oil change with the M550, and wow, a single oil change costs somewhere between $230 and $250. Called around to a couple places, and even their prices were in that same range, so I thought I might as well just take it to BMW. And online I saw that they offer a package for $250 for 3 years of oil changes for $250. That was a no-brainer. So, you know, had to go with it. And even my service advisor said it's definitely worthwhile. So looked up for finding that. But who would have knew oil changes on a BMW could be that crazy? It all worked out. So now we good for another 6 months to a year for another oil change. So depending on mileage. All right, it's all fine. We all got it covered now. All right, so we got a little bit of issues. So when I pulled the car out, I found an oil stain in the garage, and it wasn't there before I got the car's oil changed. So is the car leaking oil? What's going on? I don't know, but we're going to have to see about that. All right, right here in this hole is where the oil filter is, so I'm assuming that's where the leak is coming from. As you can see, it's kind of going back towards the back of the car, and that is exactly over where the oil spill in the garage is, and it looks similar to that.
The next day.
What up, people? We back again. This time, we on the way back to BMW.
I'm starting to remember why my last two cars was brand new. Anyway, but this engine makes it all worth it. Sounds amazing. But come to think of it, the level of service I've experienced from the BMW dealerships, I've been to 3 of them now here in the city of Houston, are so much better than what I've experienced at Lexus and Audi. Yeah, Audi was the last one. They're very pleasant to work with, even though they do try and run your pockets. They're really nice.
There we go. I'm gonna get it put up in the air, and then we're gonna go look at it. Let's do this up in there.
Okay.
And the technician look at it. We're gonna go look at it together.
Okay, cool.
That's the way I prefer to do it, you know. And then just give me a couple minutes.
Okay.
Give me just a little bit to get it up in here, and then we'll go step by step.
All right, thanks.
Oh, this is Zach from Momentum BMW technician working on your vehicle again. During the inspection, I did verify this is tight. It's nice and tight. I don't have my torque wrench because I was just verifying that it's at least some sort of tight. You can see there my little arms, and the thing is not moving. But we do believe it is just residual oil. You can see kind of residual running down. I'm not 100% how that would happen, so we're gonna clean everything, drive it, and recheck it just to make sure that it was residual oil. Perhaps I just didn't clean good enough. Best case scenario, honestly. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this out, drive it, recheck it, and then get this vehicle out of here for you. Also do an oil level test and make sure that it's properly filled up. Thanks for choosing Momentum BMW again, and have a great day.
Okay.
It looks like when he took it off and you put it back on, it just leaked out more than it should have.
Okay.
And that's what it was. It
Okay.
was just residual.
Got
so
it.
right now, what he's doing is he cleaned it. That's why you can smell that kind of orangey.
Yeah.
And then he's letting it run to confirm that the seal's not.
Okay.
So, because there's a seal in here,
Yeah.
then as you thread it, so the bottom of the oil is out.
Okay. Cool. And just like that, we got it solved. Wasn't no biggie. No biggie. But had to get it done because you never know. Something so little can destroy a whole engine. And ain't nobody got time for that.